Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. The latest Patch Tuesday cumulative update for Windows 11 KB5010386 is now available and started rolling out on the 8th of February 2022. And once the update has been applied, the latest stable version of Windows 11 will now be version 21H2, and the OS build will now be sitting at 22,000.493. Now, if we just head over to our settings menu, Windows Update, the Patch Tuesday updates are automatic compulsory updates, so they will be downloaded and installed automatically onto your device. And once you have restarted your device to apply the update, if you head over to Update History, the update will appear under Quality Updates KB5010386. You can click on Learn More to go find out more in depth about the update. Now, this update, like all other Patch Tuesday updates, is mainly a security update which addresses 48 security vulnerabilities in Windows 11, also in Windows 10, and across other different Microsoft products and services as well. So in total, this Patch Tuesday, there have been 48 vulnerabilities across those different Microsoft products and services which have been fixed and addressed. Now, the update also carries a quality improvement, a bug fix for a system failure in Windows 11, where there was an issue that was causing a lightweight directory access protocol modifier operation to fail if the operation contains the same account name and user account control attributes, which was a system failure that this update now addresses. And that issue was also addressed in the Windows 10 update that rolled out as well this month. And then, as usual, the servicing stack has been updated so that your device can reliably receive and install Microsoft updates. Now, this Patch Tuesday update will now also contain all the fixes from the previous optional update, which rolled out around about the 25th, 26th of January last month, which was KB5008353. So if you didn't install this optional update, all those bug fixes and improvements will now roll out in this latest update, 5010386. So just to mention quickly some of those key highlights, which if you didn't apply in that optional update, you will now receive in this latest Patch Tuesday cumulative update. And those key issues and improvements were, there was an issue that caused the audio service to stop responding on some devices that supported hardware accelerated Bluetooth audio. And then there was an issue where some apps on the taskbar, when they were not running, would appear as though they were running. And then in the Microsoft accounts section, the menu in Windows settings, there was a new Your Microsoft account page added to the accounts menu. And I did post a video on that last month, which I will leave a link to down below if you're interested. And then the taskbar volume icon was appearing as muted when it wasn't. That was addressed. And then there was an issue that caused a device to stop working when it was connected to multiple displays. That was addressed. And also the auto-hide feature of the taskbar was given issues. That was also addressed with that optional update. And there was an issue where which prevented icons from appearing on the taskbar if you were running a secondary display in a dual monitor setup, as an example. And also there were outdated battery percentages being displayed in the Bluetooth and devices section and menu, the page in the Windows 11 settings. And then also HDR displays and monitors, that's high dynamic range displays. There was an issue that prevented some image editing programs from rendering colors correctly on certain HDR monitors, which affected white colors that would display sometimes in bright yellow or other colors. So that was also addressed in that update. And then the final one, which was an ongoing issue and Microsoft said was also finally addressed in KB5008353, which was a fix which addressed a performance regression issue that occurred when you enable the update sequence number USN journal. And that was to do mainly with SSD drives that had a degradation in performance, and was an ongoing issue for a couple of months, and that has also been addressed for that performance problem with mainly SSD drives. So those fixes now, if you didn't apply this update, have been carried over into this month's Patch Tuesday update. So that's it for this month for Windows 11, and I hope you found this video useful. And once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.